everybody, Namaste and Salaam Alaikum. Hi, this is Maria Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. Welcome to my session, and guys, we are covering our sprint series especially for our CBSE grade 10. Yes, guys, in biology we have only one chapter, that is life processes, and we are going to cover the topic transportation in today's session. So if you're excited, hit on the like button, subscribe to our channel and post me a yo guys. So yes, let's get started. So we have already covered up nutrition and respiration in our previous sessions. So in today's session, we are going to cover up the topic of transportation. So guys, in my next session, I'll be covering up excretion. So don't forget to tune into our channel on 29th of October sharp at 9 p.m. And the sprint series is not just run for biology, but it is also run for chemistry, and the sessions will be conducted by Shilpi ma'am, English by Shweta ma'am, Mathematics by Gopal sir, and of course Social Sciences by Ananya sir. So chalo, let's get started on a positive note. So yeah guys, this is our sprint series 2021. If you're enjoying it, like, share, subscribe, and the quote for the day is believe in yourself and anything is possible. Yes, many a times we tend to give up, especially right before our examinations. Oh, this answer is tough, this is very lengthy, this is very complicated, assertion and reasoning I won't be able to manage. All these are the negative thoughts which you actually need to remove out of your mind, and you need to tell yourself that I am capable, I have the potential, I have to do it, and I will do it, and I know how to do it. When you tell yourself all these thoughts are being resonated, that yes, I can do it, and then you get the power and you actually are able to do it. Try this thing out and do let me know in the comment section whether this particular funda worked for you or not. So chalo, let's begin with our sprint session. So guys, in sprint series basically we aim to solve all the MCQs in a time lesser than the time which we actually avail in the examinations. Okay, so basically for every MCQ we get 1.5 minutes, but here we aim to solve the same MCQ in 45 seconds. So let us see what tips and tricks we can apply, and how we can be able to solve the same MCQ in a lesser time. So the first one, which of the following helps in conduction of water and minerals during transpiration pull? So guys, focus on water and minerals. When it comes water and minerals, of course it has to be xylem. So whether it is transpiration pull or whether it is root pressure, it will definitely be xylem. Acha, if it was given translocation of solutes or transportation of food, that time it would have been phloem. Okay, chalo. Next one, which among the following is normally found in blood? So guys, when it comes to blood, look at the options. So guys, trypsin, lipase, amylase, all these are various enzymes, right? So hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment. So in our red blood cells, hemoglobin is the respiratory pigment present. So of course the answer has to be hemoglobin. Then the next question, the side of the leaf which has more number of stomata. Guys, stomata are present both on upper epidermis as well as the lower epidermis. Now, if stomata are more concentrated on the upper epidermis, it will lead to enhanced transpiration, and which would eventually result in wilting of leaf. A plant cannot afford that, and hence more number of stomata are concentrated on the lower epidermis. Okay, so it has to be lower side of the leaf. Then the next one, identify the parts from the given diagram which carry oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. So guys, start making circles. Okay, A, E, C, or I can say ACE. So ACE carries deoxygenated blood. So deoxygenated में find ACE किधर है? यहाँ पे है ACE. So option D is basically having ACE. And now cross verify whether B, F, D. Okay, B, F, D. Is it carrying oxygenated blood? Yes, it is carrying oxygenated. So guys, of course, it has to be D. Okay. So guys, the next question is match the following. Okay. So here we have four options: valves, pulmonary vein, platelets, and pulmonary artery. So guys, we all are aware that valves prevent the backflow of blood. So A has to be 3. So A3, A3, A3. Okay. Now pulmonary veins. We know pulmonary veins always carry oxygenated blood. So B2. So where is B2? Here as well, here as well. Now the next one, platelets. Platelets help in clotting of blood, that is coagulation of blood. So check out for C1. C1 is only here. So it is evident, guys, the option has to be D. Okay, clear enough? Perfect. So guys, if you're enjoying our series, I will actually tell you ki join Vedantu ASAP. Okay, here we have actually launched CBSE. Okay, CBSE term 1 crash course for you all. Okay, and here in this course we help you gain 100% knowledge, 100% marks. Okay, so guys, there will be actually conduction of all the chapters in a crash manner for 6 subjects: physics, chem, bio, English, maths and ss. In each of our session there will be high level quizzes. Okay, at least 8 to 10 quizzes will be there. Again, there will be a revision session of the same chapters, so we ensure that you are practicing well for your examinations. Okay, and then we have students from across the globe. From almost 35 countries we have students, so you get an opportunity to compete with students across the globe, and that's something amazing, right? Then you also have the option to watch interactive replays. If you miss the session, if you want to revise anything, you can always watch the replays. And yes, our replays are interactive, and when I say that, even while watching replays you can participate in live quizzes. Even while playing these quizzes, at the end of the session you get your name to be flashed on the leaderboard. And wow, what else do you need, right? So guys, when you are attending a session, you are pretty much bothered about the notes rather about the kind of questions that we conduct in the session. So if you download the session notes, it is just a single click away. You are able to download the premium handwritten notes provided by the master teachers. Yes, in each session of ours there is a master teacher who will be dealing with the content, but at the same time we are having classy class teachers who will be resolving to your academic doubts, okay, pertaining to the session. Besides that, we conduct regular test series and assignments to ensure that you are practicing well. We provide you with a proper personalized report card which indicates these are your areas of strength and these are your weaknesses. These are your areas where you need to improve and how can you improve it. It is such a detailed analysis. Acha, besides this, we offer you unlimited micro courses absolutely free of cost. What are micro courses? For example, you have enrolled in a term 1 crash course. Okay, so what are micro courses? So guys, micro courses are chapter based courses. For example, in a crash course you studied a chapter in a fast paced manner. Okay, however, if you want to study the same chapter in an eased out way, okay, for example, life processes, maybe you studied the chapter in 3 or 4 sessions, but you want to study the same chapter in a relaxed manner, you can enroll for the same in a micro course based on life processes, where you can study the same chapter in a well detailed manner. And it is not just for life processes, not just for biology, but for any chapter of CBSE. Okay, so we offer you unlimited micro courses along with courses for competitive examinations or other non-academic courses as well. Okay, and it is absolutely free of cost. So what you need to do, you just need to click on the link, visit it and enroll with us. Okay, so the link has been given in the description box, which has also been pinned in the comment section. And when you click on the link, ensure that my coupon code has been applied, that is Mac Pro, because it is going to give you 10% additional discount. Yes guys, so guys, when you click on the link, you are diverted to this particular page where it offers you 2 different plans, Pro Lite and Pro Classic. So all our basic features are available with the Pro Lite subscription. That's more than enough. Ideally it's for rupee 5000, okay, but when you apply my coupon code, you get additional 500 rupee discount and the course price goes to 4500 only. Okay, ensure that you are applying my coupon code, that is Mac Pro. Okay, acha. Secondly, when you are willing to have a doubt solving app on your mobile phone so that you can click and send your queries across, so that time you can have the Pro Classic subscription, ideally which would cost you rupee 5500, but with my coupon code it is for 4950 rupee only. Yes guys, so if you are thinking ki this 4500 is too much, I'll say think twice. You know why? Because when you are getting unlimited micro courses, anything that is divided by unlimited, its cost price actually comes down to zero. So guys, yes, click on the link, use my coupon code, that is MacPro, and enroll to our subscription, enroll to our various courses right now. Okay, chalo. Here we move ahead with the next question. Translocation of sugar occurs through phloem. True or false? Okay, sugar means food. So is it true or false? Of course it is true. It is achieved by diffusion of sugars through phloem. Is it diffusion? No. It's active transport. So guys, the answer is false. See, transportation of food requires the utilization of ATP and hence it is active transport. So assertion is true and reason is false and the answer has to be C. Okay? ठीक है. Then the next one, here is a case. Take your own time to read it, but ideally I recommend kids ki don't invest your time in reading the case. First read the question, try to hit the correct answer, and if you're unable to do so, if you're unable to gauge the correct answer from the given options, then you go ahead and read the passage. Okay, so here I read out the passage for you. Oxygen rich blood from the lungs comes to the left atrium. The left atrium relaxes when collecting this blood. The left ventricle later contracts while the left ventricle expands so that the blood is transferred to it. When the left ventricle contracts, it is pumped out of the body. Deoxygenated blood comes from the body to the right atrium as it expands. As the right atrium contracts, the right ventricle dilates. This transfers the blood to the right ventricle, which in turn pumps blood for oxygenation. Okay, the valves in heart ensures unidirectional flow of blood. So basically guys, here they have actually discussed about the circulation of blood in the human heart, right? So on this note, you already know the pathway. Okay, let us try to understand the questions now. The blood vessel which carries deoxygenated blood and it originates from the right ventricle. So guys, right atrium, right ventricle, and which originates from the right ventricle, it has to be pulmonary artery. Yes guys, it is A. Okay, then the next one. Which of the following is the correct option for the valve marked as X? So guys, here X is, there are two flaps. Two flaps means bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve is also called as the mitral valve, right? Then the next one. Because the muscles of dash relaxes, the blood is able to enter into the heart. Guys, when we talk about entry into the heart, the blood enters into the right atrium and the left atrium respectively. And when will the blood get collected? When the atria relax. When they contract, the blood flows into the ventricles. So guys, it has to be A, when the atria relaxes. Okay, perfect. So now here we arrive at the homework question. What's the homework? Strong forces of attraction exist between water molecules. Give an account of the importance of these forces in raising water to great height in trees. Okay, so guys, between water molecules, so basically this is not related to your syllabus, but of course if you're preparing for NTSC or any other competitive examination, this question would be useful. So guys, when two like molecules have an attraction with each other, what kind of force is it? Okay, so do let me know your answers in the comment section below, and let's meet up with an interesting session in the upcoming session. So the next one is going to be excretion, and guys, that's it for the day. In the next session on 29th October, meet me and we'll be discussing excretion in human beings as well as plants at 9 p.m. sharp. That's it for the day guys. Don't forget to enroll with us. Okay, you know the link has been posted in the description box. My coupon code is MacPro, and thank you so much for being a part of my session. Let's meet in the upcoming session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and keep watching Vedantu. Bye bye.